Reinvesting dividends is a great way to grow your investment portfolio over time in the Schwab app. Makes it easy to do so. To get started, first log into your Schwab account on the app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Portfolio Summary page where you can view all of your accounts and holdings. Look for the specific stock or fund that you want to reinvest dividends for and click on it to view the Details page. On this page, scroll down to the Dividend section where you can see the dividend payment history and the current dividend yield. To reinvest dividends, you need to enable the dividend reinvestment option. To do this, click on the three dots next to the dividend yield and select the Reinvest Dividends option. You will then be prompted to confirm that you want to reinvest dividends for this specific holding. Once you have confirmed, the dividend reinvestment option will be enabled and all future dividend payments will be automatically reinvested in the same stock or fund. You can also set up dividend reinvestment for all of your holdings at once by going to the Account Settings page and selecting the Reinvest Dividends option for all eligible holdings. It is worth noting that not all holdings are eligible for dividend reinvestment, such as some bonds and mutual funds. Additionally, dividend reinvestment may not be available for tax-deferred accounts such as IRAs. It is also important to keep in mind that reinvesting dividends can help to reduce taxes and fees associated with buying and selling securities. By automatically reinvesting dividends, you can avoid having to pay commissions or other fees to purchase additional shares. Overall, reinvesting dividends on the Schwab app is a simple and effective way to grow your investment portfolio over time. By following these steps and taking advantage of the dividend reinvestment option, you can make the most of your investments and achieve your long-term financial goals.